Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So just a quick update on the status of the lawn post the scalp. As you can recall from my last video, on July the 5th, I came through and I did a scalp job, a reset of the lawn. It was that time. I peaked on the 4th of July, which was what I was shooting for. So I wanted to reset the lawn, which meant that I verticut it and I scalped it. And when I did that, I knew that I was going to dull the blade on my reel mower. So what I did is I came through and I backlapped the lawnmower. And when I did that, my reel was off a little bit. It didn't seem like it was making full contact. So I adjusted the left side down a little bit. And when I did that, I started putting lines in the yard. I'm gonna show you what I mean by lines if it'll pick up on this video. Right in here, sun's blazing pretty hot right now and in the sky, so I'm not sure if that's showing up, but I was leaving lines like that. So what I did to combat that is I adjusted the reel some more, and I over adjusted. So when I was coming through, I'm leaving a lot of lines down on the left side. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to adjust the reel again. I'm going to probably raise my height of cut because I had that scalp. We are starting to get some hotter temperatures here in Georgia, and I just think it's going to be better overall for the mower and for my grass to bring the blade and the height of cut up some. So that's what I will do today. Make sure that's cutting paper all the way across. In case you don't know what reel cutting is, reel mower turns this way, rotary mower cuts this way with the blades. So you'll see it in my yard here, right down in there, you can see some brown. I've got kind of a brown haze going across the entire yard too. I'm not too happy with, and I think it's a result of the reels just not sit at the right alignment, and I'm doing a little bit of scalping because of that. So once that's done, hopefully I'll be back on course for the lawn, getting good recovery from the scalping that I did on July the 5th. That was about, I don't know, a little over a week ago. Bermuda Brian, out.